how to stop game sharing on PS4. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. Today in this following video I'm going to show you how you can stop game sharing on PS4. Now in order to turn off or in order to stop game playing recording on PS4, all you have to do is just switch on your PS4 and sign in into your account. After that, you'll have to press the share button of the controller and then choose sharing and broadcasting settings. So after that, it's going to take you to this page where you'll need to scroll down a bit and go to length of video clip. Then select it. As soon as you click on it, you'll be able to see an option in the right hand side bar. Then select the timing and click on the timing accordingly. And after that, you'll be able to see an option as disable or enable. So if you want to stop it, then click the disable button. As soon as you do that, you've successfully stopped game share on PS4. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.